Hi, today we will be talking about adaptability as a leadership skill. Students will discover what adaptability means and they will comprehend why it is an important leadership skill and how to develop it. The ability to shift or adjust to new conditions, surroundings, or obstacles is referred to as adaptability. A flexible leader may quickly modify their team's focus in reaction to a change in market demand or modification in team strategy. Why is adaptability important for leaders? Adaptability allows leaders to effectively respond to changes in their business or industry, and it enables leaders to remain sensitive to the team needs, and it allows leaders to modify their leadership style and approach as necessary. How can leaders develop adaptability? 1. Leaders can seek out new experiences and challenges that will force them to step outside of their comfort zone. 2. Instead of getting stuck in old ways of thinking, leaders can practice mindfulness and focus on the present moment. And finally, leaders can seek out varied viewpoints and listen to others' points of view, even if they disagree from their own. Leaders can benefit from adaptability. Adaptability enables leaders to effectively navigate change and uncertainty, and it enables leaders to be more flexible and sensitive to their team's demands, and it enables leaders to remain relevant and effective in an ever-changing world. Teams can benefit from adaptability too. Adaptable teams are better able to respond to market shifts and external obstacles. Adaptable teams are more imaginative, which can contribute to a competitive edge. And because team members cherish their potential to learn and grow, adaptable teams are more likely to retain great talent. A crisis is a make or break moment. Adaptability is especially important in times of crisis, as leaders must be able to quickly pivot and respond to unexpected events. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many organizations had to quickly adapt their business models and operations in order to survive. And finally, adaptability is a critical leadership quality that enables leaders to overcome change and uncertainty while effectively leading their teams in dynamic circumstances. Developing adaptability is a constant process that necessitates a willingness to learn, accept new challenges, and be open to different points of view. Thank you for joining.